It is time to
Let's
fight.
do this. Girl, lock in.
Aww.
Aww. Oh my god.
That's all he's ever wanted.
Oh. This is
Not
like
the little backpack hand squeeze.
the most beautiful romantic moment in his life.
See, he never would have gotten this with alternate universe.
That looks very real.
It's the Bound 2 video.
You kind of can't just leave here because you need to help the people in camps.
I mean, yeah, you have a world to liberate now.
Right? Like, what?
You know,
You think they should just go back?
This is a moral conundrum, most certainly.
is it his problem? You know, Roxy.
What are they going to do right now?
Oh, I guess it was real. Look, that should be that focus lens. Oh, he got that's the hardcore he wanted.
Aw, buddy.
Look at this, the American dream right here.
I am so into them as a couple, though. Like, my love ships person is just flipping inside.
Is he playing the song on the P cycle or is just something that is over there? Wow. How did... This is crazy. The fact that they are casually just riding with the cops on their back. He feels it. Can you believe it? All this shit had to happen before you guys figure it out. You know, especially Emilia. You know.
Aw.
That's cute.
We're getting to see a glimpse of what the power couple could be.
I know. Shit.
She seems at peace. No pun intended.
Yes.
Aw.
This has me very worried.
Do not kill anybody off, please. It's amazing to see their growth as characters.
I know. And the growth
shit.
and their connection.
Oh, this is where you're at home. Hell yes.
I'm dying, guys. I love this. I love this.
This is a good story.
Oh, oh. It's so small, but so huge. You guys are a really good team.
He's just ignoring that?
Trauma brings them together.
I'm sad she didn't get to see Rick Flag.
I don't think she would want to see one from this world.